Along with the launch of the new Xiaomi 13 series, Xiaomi also revealed plans to release limited edition custom color models for the Xiaomi 13, which will only be available for a short time. So if you're a fan of unique and eye-catching phone colors, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own one. There are actually 4 color models: yellow, green, blue and a flame red version, and here we are checking out the flame red version only. The box of the device is exactly the same as like that of any standard Xiaomi 13. The box contains some documentations, the beautiful device itself, a 67-watt charger and a Type-C cable. As you can see, the flame red color of the Xiaomi 13 is truly striking and eye-catching. In a nutshell, it's a bold, unique choice for those who want a phone that stands out from the crowd. The price of the custom color model is surprisingly same as like the standard edition, so you don't have to pay more to get one of these. As previously said, the Xiaomi 13 has a boxy form and a flat screen which give it a premium tone and puts it in the step with current trends, and the device is really sleek and compact with a thickness of approximately 8.5mm I guess. Many people relate it to the latest iPhones because of its boxy appearance, as they look extremely similar from the side. Although Xiaomi 13 is substantially slimmer than the iPhone 14 and it feels really good in the hand even than the iPhone 14. And this boxy form factor gives it a very sturdy, a brick-like feeling, and I'm personally a very big fan of this kind of design. Specs wise, you guys already know that the device comes with a 6.36-inch AMOLED display that has a Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz. It also supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision and HLG. The display also has a peak brightness of 1900 nits, making it ideal for use in a variety of lighting conditions. Along with that, it features an under-display fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking and a punch hole cutout at the center of the screen for the front-facing camera. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 13 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 internal storage. This powerful combination is indeed really good, and it ensures smooth and efficient performance even when running resource-intensive tasks. In terms of camera, it has a Leica branded triple camera setup that includes a 50MP OIS enabled Sony IMX800 sensor, a 12MP ultra wide angle lens and a 10MP telephoto unit. The camera system is really good and capable of capturing high quality photos and videos, and it includes a wide range of advanced features such as portrait mode and night mode and all that. On the front, there is a 16MP front facing camera for selfies and video calls. It is also IP68 certified for water and dust resistant, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box with MIUI 13 custom interface, which offers smooth and intuitive user experience. The device is powered by a 4500 mAh battery with support for 67-watt fast charging. Overall, we all know Xiaomi 13 is a top of the line smartphone with impressive specs and a beautiful design, but this limited edition color option is making the deal much spicy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and make sure to hit the like button to gain our confidence, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.